Welcome the Nubia Z50 Ultra, the first non-gaming smartphone of the ZTE brand with an under-display selfie camera and main shooters on the back, custom-made to match the most popular DSLR focal lengths. The smartphone brings a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and a 5000 mAh battery with 80W charging at an impressive starting price of 3,999 Chinese yuan, about $580 per €540. The main camera has a 6.4MP Sony IMX787 sensor and a 35mm equivalent focal length. It first appeared on the Nubia Z50 and now made its way to the Ultra flagship. The second camera is a periscope shooter, once again with a 6.4MP sensor behind, but this has an 85mm equivalent focal length. The third shooter is a 50MP ultra-wide-angle snapper that has AF and serves macro duties. The front-facing camera is a fourth-generation under-display technology called NeoVision. The sensor, hidden behind the screen, is 16MP. The display itself is a flat 6.8 mold panel with 2480x1116px resolution and up to 120Hz refresh rate. It has extremely thin bezels, 1.48mm on the sides, 1.68mm in a metallic frame. This is the first Nubia Z series with a physical slider that can be customized to mute notifications, turn on gaming mode or take instant photos. The power key and the volume rocker are on the same right-hand side for company. The phone ships with iOS 13 out of the box, and Nubia claimed it has no bloatware. Connectivity includes USB-C 3.1, Bluetooth 5.3, and 3-band navigation. The Nubia Z50 Ultra can connect simultaneously to L1, L2 and L5. Memory options are 8 256ths of a gigabyte, 12 256ths of a gigabyte, 12 512ths of a gigabyte, and 16 gigabytes RAM plus 1 terabyte storage. The ZTE brand claimed the Snapdragon chipset is coupled with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, but the most affordable is not using the latest standards. The ZTE Nuba Z50 Ultra is offered in two colors, gray and black, both of them with red accents around the two major cameras and the power key. There is a third option, called Starry Night, named after the popular painting of the Impressionist Vincent van Gogh. This pretty option comes only with 12GB RAM and 512GB storage at a special price of 4,999 Chinese yuan, $720 per €675. First sale is scheduled for March 14 at 10 a.m. in China.